Hey everyone, welcome back to Brie's Pastry House. Today we're baking one of my favorite cozy pastries, Cranberry Orange Zest Scones. They're buttery, tender, and filled with bright citrus flavor. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a warm cup of coffee. First, we start with our dry ingredients. Make sure to sift them together so everything stays light and evenly mixed. 245 grams of flour, 40 grams of sugar, 15 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of salt, .98 grams of unsalted butter, cold, .110 grams of milk, 37 grams of egg, .3 grams of vanilla extract, one large orange zest, Now add the wet ingredients and mix gently. Remember, don't overmix. Once the dough starts coming together, stop mixing to keep the texture soft and tender. 85 grams of dried cranberries, Bring the dough together and cut the scones. Today I'm using a round cutter instead of the classic wedges for a cafe-style look. heavy cream. Place them in the oven and bake until they're lightly golden and fragrant. The smell of cranberry and orange together is absolutely amazing. Sugar: 60 grams of powdered sugar, 10 grams of fresh orange juice. Once cooled slightly, drizzle a simple orange glaze on top and add a little extra orange zest for that bright citrus finish. And that's it. Beautiful cranberry orange zest scones. Thank you so much for baking with me at Brie's Pastry House. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who loves brunch.